Today we're reporting on our results for FY19, which were in line with our expectations. But before I go into those results in more detail, I think it's important that we understand them in the context of the business backdrop. We've been working incredibly hard to assess and to fix the issues that have been facing our business, namely not enough new business being won and too much customer churn in our French, German and United States business units. So we are now implementing our new strategy. We've completed a detailed churn analysis and have ring-fenced the risk, which we now think is normal for a B2B software provider. We've identified a market segment and customer profile where we're successful, and we've refocused our new business teams on our marketing and business development activities on that singular customer profile across the whole group. In refocusing ourselves on one market segment and one customer profile, we're able to better leverage our product portfolio without detriment to our existing customer experience. We've restructured our French, German and United States commercial teams so that they are focused now on growth and on customer retention to take all mitigating actions against further customer churn beyond a normal level. And in terms of leadership, we've made changes at a group level as well as leadership inside the French, German and United States teams. These changes are designed to give a greater rigor, transparency and commerciality to our decision making. So in summary, we're at the point now where the results of the work that we've done and continue to do are not yet visible externally, but the internal indicators are good. And we're highly confident that we'll be able to realise the considerable benefits open to us as we go forward. The changes are not really affecting our performance at this point. Although we have won our first customer in Germany under the new strategy, but we consider that this is really just scratching the surface. Our new business performance was good with 60 new names and 127 upselling deals is a really strong performance, but it's really an indicator of how our UK business and our Dutch business units are performing. The French, German and United States business units didn't really contribute to new business or upselling activity. And that's the opportunity that we have to replicate the performance of the UK and Dutch businesses inside of each of the French, German and United States businesses. Our total contract value signed for FY19 was 11.3 million against 12.1 last year. This performance was solid in the UK and our new Dutch business, which contributed £500,000 of total contract value, but disappointing in each of France, Germany and the US. Our revenues grew by 4%, again bolstered by the contribution from our acquired Dutch business to 54 million against 52 million in the prior year. Our key profit measure, adjusted EBITDA, was at 15 million, which was in line with our expectations, but down against the previous year of 17.3 million. Even at those levels, and importantly, we were able to reduce debt down to 36.5 million with a strong operating cash performance. So going into the new year, we approach with confidence and with £44 million of annual recurring revenue, which we maintained at the same level as the prior year. So we believe that we have the right plan in place to return this group to growth. The value proposition and the systems and processes that we have in the UK and the Netherlands are translatable into France, Germany and the United States. And over the next couple of years, we believe that we can replicate the performance of the UK and the Netherlands in all of France, Germany and the US. And if we do that, our business will have a very different trajectory. I've got to also mention that we've made exceptional progress with our accelerated payment facility, and our product, BPaid, is now at market. Our teams are trained, motivated, energetic, and incentivized to be successful, to deliver a higher customer experience and a stronger performance. And it's this that gives me great excitement for the future of our business.